Welcome to Fun Facts Daily, your source for just the good stuff. Monday through Friday, we're bringing fun facts and news you can use, all carefully curated to uplift and inform. So give yourself a break, relax, and learn something awesome in just a few minutes every day. Hi everyone, I'm Kyle Wood. Today we're going to be learning all about soap. But before we get into the facts, let's warm up our brains with a little challenge to see if you can tell truth from fiction. Consider this. Some people think that soap is the ultimate disinfectant, completely killing any germs, bacteria, or viruses that it comes in contact with. What do you think? Is that an actual fact or just too good to be true? We'll find out at the end of the episode. Now for your word of the day. Our word for today is saponification. It sounds complicated, but it's really just the chemical reaction that produces soap. The word saponification comes from the Latin word sapo, which means soap. It also includes the suffix fication, which means making or causing. So putting it all together, saponification is literally just making soap. It's a fascinating process where fats or oils react with strong alkali, like lye, to form soap and glycerol. This reaction has been understood and utilized for centuries, evolving from ancient techniques to the sophisticated industrial processes we see today. Time for your daily high five, our top 5 fun facts about soap. Number 1. The earliest evidence of soap-like materials dates back to ancient Babylon around 2800 BCE. Archaeologists have unearthed ancient clay cylinders from Babylon that contain a soap-like substance. These early recipes indicate a mixture of animal fats and wood ash, which were boiled together to create a material used for cleaning wool and other textiles. This suggests that the primary use for these early mixtures was for industrial cleaning rather than personal hygiene. While these weren't exactly the scented bars we use today, they represent the foundational chemistry that eventually led to modern soap. Number 2. Soap was a luxury item for most of history, only becoming widely accessible in the 19th century. For a long time, soap was expensive and difficult to produce, making it a commodity largely reserved for the wealthy. It wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that soap production became more efficient and affordable. The invention of new manufacturing processes and the discovery of more readily available raw materials helped to democratize soap, making it accessible to the masses. Before this, personal hygiene practices were very different, often relying on water alone or abrasive materials. The shift to readily available soap had a profound impact on public health, contributing significantly to improved sanitation and reduction in the spread of disease. It's a prime example of the ripple effect technological advancements can have across society. Number 3. During World War II, a shortage of fats led to the development of synthetic detergents called syndets. With traditional fat sources being diverted for food and other wartime necessities, scientists and manufacturers had to innovate to meet the demand for cleaning products. The scarcity spurred the creation of synthetic detergents, which don't rely on animal or vegetable fats as their primary cleaning agents. These syndets use petroleum-derived chemicals to achieve their cleansing properties. The development of syndets revolutionized the cleaning industry, offering alternatives to traditional soap that could perform well in hard water and were more versatile. Many of the cleaning products we use today, from laundry detergents to dish soaps, are actually syndets rather than true soaps. Number 4. The no-poo movement, which advocates for washing hair without shampoo, relies on the hair's natural oils and various soap-free methods. The no-poo trend encourages people to reduce or eliminate the use of conventional shampoos, which can strip the hair of its natural oils. Instead, adherents often use methods like baking soda and apple cider vinegar rinses, or simply water to clean their hair. The idea is to allow the scalp's natural sebum to balance and nourish the hair, leading to healthier strands and less need for frequent washing. This movement highlights the growing awareness of the potential harshness of some modern cleaning agents and a desire to return to the more natural approaches for personal care. And our fifth and final fun fact for today: the first patent for liquid soap was granted in 1865 to William Shepard, who sought a more convenient and versatile cleaning solution. Fans of the John Cusack film The Sure Thing may remember him asking who invented liquid soap and why. Well, it would appear the answer is William Shepard, a resident of New York. He received a patent for his improved liquid soap on August 22nd, 1865. His invention involved dissolving common soap in a large quantity of ammonia, creating a liquid with superior detergent qualities and a consistency similar to molasses. Shepard aimed to create a product that was both effective and easy to use for domestic and manufacturing purposes. While the name improved liquid soap would imply there were some other forms of liquid soap in existence, they were largely for industrial uses. Shepard's patent marked a significant step towards developing a more practical and mass-marketable liquid soap. Its convenience for dispensing and use, especially in public facilities and eventually in homes, helped pave the way for the wide variety of liquid soaps and detergents we use today. Now for some news you can use. A simple bar of soap can really be one of the cheapest and most effective tools to keep you healthy, preventing the spread of countless illnesses. The key isn't just having soap, but using it correctly. When washing your hands, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or the CDC, recommends you wet your hands with clean running water, apply soap, lather thoroughly by rubbing your hands together. Make sure to scrub the backs of your hands between your fingers and under your nails for at least 20 seconds. That's about the length of singing the Happy Birthday song twice. And what's happening during that time is kind of simple, but also amazing. At a microscopic level, the soap molecules are busy disrupting the outer layers of viruses and bacteria and lifting dirt, grease, and germs from your skin. The friction from scrubbing helps to physically dislodge these microscopic invaders, and when you rinse your hands under running water, they're all carried away, leaving your hands clean and greatly reducing the risk of getting sick and spreading germs to others. It's a simple routine with profound effects in stopping the spread of illness. Now, one more practical tip to get the most out of a bar of soap: store it in a well-draining soap dish. This might seem obvious, but it makes a big difference. When a bar of soap sits in one of those dishes that leaves water puddling around it, it softens and dissolves the soap much faster, leading to a lot of waste. A good draining soap dish allows air circulation around the bar, helping it to dry out between uses. This not only makes the soap last longer, saving money, but it also prevents that gooey, mushy mess that just nobody likes to touch. Keeping your soap dry also helps to inhibit bacterial growth on the bar itself, again, making for a more pleasant and hygienic experience. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. At the beginning of the episode, I asked, does soap effectively kill all the germs on your hands? Well, that's a fallacy. While some specialized soaps, like antibacterial soaps, contain ingredients designed to kill certain types of bacteria, the vast majority of regular soap doesn't actually kill germs. Instead, the magic lies in the way that it interacts with water. Soap molecules have this special sort of ability. One end is attracted to water, and the other end is attracted to fats and oils. Germs, dirt, and oil on your hands are encapsulated by these soap molecules, forming tiny structures called micelles. When you rinse your hands with water, these micelles, along with the trapped germs, are effectively lifted and washed away. So rather than killing the germs, regular soap works by physically removing them from your skin and sending them down the drain. Now, I hope you enjoyed learning a bit about soap with me today. Be sure to tune in every weekday for even more fun facts. Fun Facts Daily is an Airwave Media podcast. It was written, recorded, mixed, and edited by me, Kyle Wood. Thanks for sharing a part of your day with me. Be sure to follow Fun Facts Daily on your favorite podcast app so you can keep the good stuff coming your way every day. And if you like the show, please do me a favor and leave a kind rating, review, or just tell your friends about it.